All right, so this is the employee object that we created at the end of the previous section. Now, there are 3 problems in this implementation. The first problem is that if we want to create another employee object, we have to repeat this structure. We have to repeat this shape. So we'll end up duplicating our code, which is bad. We always want to conform to the dry principle. Don't repeat yourself. Now, the second problem is that the other employee object might have other properties. So these 2 employee objects might not have a consistent shape because we don't have a single place to define the shape of an employee object. Now, the third problem is that overall, this structure is making our code a little bit hard to read and understand. This is where we use a type alias. Using a type alias, we can define a custom type. Let me show you. So on the top, we start with the type keyword, then give our new type a name. And once again, here we use the Pascal case. So employee with a capital E. Then we set it to braces. And inside the braces, we define all the properties and methods an employee object should have. So I'm going to go in this annotation, select these 3 lines, and by pressing Alt and up, we can move these lines up. Okay? Now, when defining this employee object, we annotate it with our new type, employee. Okay? So now we have a single place where we define the shape of an employee object, and we can reuse this in multiple places. This is the benefit of using a type alias.